Ditch the tiny plastic and say hello to instant connectivity, because today, we're unlocking the future by activating your Mint Mobile Esim. First, grab your phone and ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Then, head over to Mint Mobile.com and log into your account. That's where the Esim magic begins. Once you're logged in, look for the Activate Your SIM button. Don't let the word SIM confuse you. This is where you'll kickstart your Esim activation. Tap that button. Now, you'll be given the choice between activating a physical SIM or an Esim. Of course, we're going Esim all the way. So select the Esim option. A QR code will pop up on your screen, and a digital copy will be sent to your email. Grab your phone and open its camera app. Point your camera at the QR code. Your phone should automatically recognize it. A notification will appear, prompting you to activate your Mint Mobile Esim. Tap that notification. Your phone will then guide you through the final steps. You might need to confirm a few things in your phone settings, like choosing Mint Mobile as your primary line for calls and data. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've digitally provisioned your Mint Mobile, skipping the wait for a physical SIM. Welcome to the future of wireless, and happy minting!